DIY 10 home remedies to whiten teeth. One thing that tends to hurt our self-confidence is if we have yellow teeth, because we all want to flash a mouth of pearly whites. Whether your teeth have become discolored from aging, coffee, smoking, or not properly caring for your teeth, you are in luck. Today, we will discuss 10 all-natural home remedies that are cost-effective and deliver results. 1. An orange peel. You can regularly use a fresh orange peel to reduce the appearance of yellow on your teeth. Just simply rub your teeth with the orange peel each night before bed. Orange peel contains vitamin C and calcium that fight off germs while you are sleeping. Continue to do this each night for a few weeks and you will begin to see results. 2. Baking soda. Since baking soda can clean nearly everything else, it comes as no surprise that it can help to remove yellow stains on your teeth, as well as any plaque buildup. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda with your toothpaste. Then, brush your teeth with the mixture. It will be gritty on purpose to act as a tough cleaner. Then, rinse your mouth with warm water. Use this method once or twice a week. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleaching product. Because of this, it is fantastic in getting rid of the yellow and discolored marks on your teeth. Rinse your mouth using a mouthwash that already contains peroxide. It is important that you never swallow hydrogen peroxide. Try making a paste out of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Then brush your teeth with the mixture. After rinsing off, brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste. 4. Strawberries. The vitamin C in strawberries help them to fight stains on your teeth. Just take a few strawberries and grind them into a paste. Use this mixture on your teeth and rub gently. Use this method twice daily for a few weeks and you will find your teeth brighter and whiter. 5. Salt. Salt has the ability to replenish any lost minerals that occur in the teeth and helps to make your teeth white again. Using everyday table salt each morning, brush your teeth just as you would with your regular toothpaste. You can also mix the salt with charcoal and use that to brush your teeth with. You can even mix table salt with baking soda and then rub onto your teeth. 6. Lemon. Lemon naturally bleaches your teeth and can be used to get rid of any discoloration. Mix a few drops of lemon juice with some table salt. Put this mixture onto the teeth and rub the paste into your teeth. Keep the mixture on for a few minutes and then rinse your mouth out well with warm water. 7. Apples. When you crunch into an apple, you are getting rid of harmful toxins out of your teeth and making your teeth whiter. To benefit from this, consume 1 to 2 apples each day. Be sure to chew the apple thoroughly so that the acids and fibers have plenty of time to clean your teeth. 8. Charcoal. Charcoal is one of the best home remedies for discolored teeth. That is because charcoal has strong crystal-based chemicals. You can benefit from this product by mixing some charcoal powder with your regular toothpaste. Repeat this twice per day to make sure your teeth are as white as possible. Love minutes. Wait another 10 minutes to allow the potato juice to do its work. Finally, rinse your hands well with water.